smoothie day 3. We're about to get into some unusual and interesting smoothie ingredients, but there are ones that you should definitely consider, again, if you want to add more nutrition to your smoothies. This smoothie is going to be blueberry and beet and lentil. Yes, lentils. So we're going to use a cup of frozen blueberries. I'm going to put these in afterwards because, as I said, my blender does better if the frozen stuff is not on the bottom. We're going to use half a cup of cooked lentils. I cooked these myself. You could use canned, but those might have some salt in them, and we don't really need salt in this smoothie. I'm going to use about a half a cup of cooked beets. I just steamed these. And then we're going to use a small apple. Actually, this is about 2/3 of a medium apple because I didn't have a small one. This is really going to be where we're going to get most of our sweetness. So you want to have something sweet to offset everything else that we're putting in. And then I'm going to add the blueberries. I like some frozen fruit in my smoothies because it makes it a little colder, a little thicker. And then we're going to add about 1/3 of an avocado. And this is going to A, add some good fat, and B, add a nice creaminess to this smoothie. And then for our liquid today, we're actually going to use brewed herbal tea. As I mentioned, I don't like putting juice in smoothies because it adds unnecessary calories and sugar. But if you want to add a little flavor, you can use something like an herbal tea as opposed to just water. There's no sweetener in here. This is actually also decaf, but if you like caffeine, well, you could also use a caffeinated tea in your smoothie. And I'm just going to put this in place of regular water, and that's what we're going to use to blend it up. I don't know exactly how much I need. This smoothie has so much fiber. You might guess, from lentils and blueberries and beets and even apple. This smoothie has 20+ grams of fiber. So you're getting more than half of what you need in the day just with this one meal. This whole thing has got about 399 calories. It's got just about 12.5 grams of protein. And that's why we added the lentils, just to put some protein into this meal. And it's got about 11 grams of fat. And that's going to be coming from the avocado. And again, we do want to have a balance of protein and fat. And then, of course, some good healthy fiber. And these colored fruits and vegetables, so the blueberries and the beets, have that pigmentation in there that has antioxidant properties to it. So super good for you. Let's blend her up. Add more liquid as needed. The color of this smoothie is absolutely fantastic. And let's see how it tastes. It's really mellow. You can taste the beet, but it's sweet enough that it's going to be really drinkable. So this is maybe not like a starter smoothie, although you probably could get kids to drink it because of the color. The flavor may not be a favorite of everyone right away, but it is the kind of thing that you can really get into if you're interested in trying some new smoothies with just some really fun, wild ingredients. And this really does make a complete meal. We got our vegetables, we got our protein and fiber, and some fruit in there too. I like this one, the purple machine.